everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Tech. So today we are taking up the topic of HTML and JavaScript. We will be learning a simple program and how to add two numbers in HTML and JavaScript. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we will start with the making a file. I've already created a file and installed HTML in my folder. You can give any name, but the extension should be .html or .htm. Okay, so now let's start with the basic HTML skeleton. I'm using Sublime Text, so there's already a HTML skeleton. So I'll give title add. In the body, we will start with an input tag. We need to get the input from the user. Okay, so that's why we need the input tag. The type will be number because we are adding two numbers, not two strings. Okay, so number, and instead of name it will be id. Id we can give like first number, for first, no. Okay, and then I'll give the placeholder. Placeholder is basically a text that is appearing in an input box, but as we type anything it will get disappeared. Okay, like my place will be, sorry, enter the first number. Okay, now we are copying this whole thing because we are taking two numbers, we need two inputs. Okay, but in id we will change it from first to second, and over here we will make it second again. Okay, now we need a button, so whenever the user will click on the button, our process will get start. So button, we will give a function on click add. You can give any name, but remember this because you have to mention the same name in the JavaScript code. You can give content of button like click me to add. Okay, simply anything. Now I'm making a paragraph in which there will be the output coming. I'll give a ID like output ID, and I will close it. Simple. Now I'm giving BR tags, that is break tags. It will give about a new line. Okay, it will. We are not adding CSS to make it more beautiful, so that's why I'm adding BR tags. Okay, it's your wish how many BR tags you want, but make it limited, or else it will make your website too spacey. Okay. Now we will start with JavaScript. So script tag, you can do it over here only, or you can make a new script file, your wish, but I'm doing here only. Okay, so now we have to make the function. Okay, wait, sorry. Function. See, over here in the button we gave add function. Okay, this same function we have to write in the JavaScript. So that's why I told you to remember it. If it is plus, then over here also it should be plus. Okay, anything you give, it should be same on both sides. Over here now we will declare three variables, var a, comma b, comma c. You can give any name, your wish. Oh, in A there will be our first number, in B it will be our second number, and C it will be the output. Okay, now we will start with value of A. What is the value of A? So document dot get element by id. What was the id for the first number? The id was first node, so we will copy the same thing and we will paste it here. But we need its value, so we will dot value. I will close it. And what is the value of b? We can copy paste it, okay, and change accordingly. Instead of a it will be b, and instead of first number our id was second no. Okay, copy and paste. Now comes our real process. C's value. C's value will be pass int of a plus pass int of b. You'll be asking that what is parseInt? ParseInt means the converting a string from string to numbers. Because if we do not write parseInt, it will think that a and b are numbers, and if our value of a is 1 and b is also 1, then it will make it 11 and not 2. So that's why we have to make parseInt. Okay. Now we have to send the output. So for that we will make document dot get element by id, and what was the output paragraph id? Output. So we will copy this and we will paste it here. Over here I will not put dot value, but I'll put dot inner html. This inner html means that it is used to print anything on the web page using javascript. Equals to what we need to print. I'll print some text like the answer is plus c. Plus c is known as concatenation. It will add these two strings. Okay, and we'll close it and we'll save it. And now let's check the output. I'll reload it. Yeah, so this is the goodness of br tag. This space is left due to the br tag. So now the placeholder, we'll get to know what is placeholder. See, this enter the first number is a placeholder. I click it and enter some value 1. See, it disappears 1. Now over here I'll type 2, click to add. The answer is 3. So simple. 5, answer 6, 10, answer 15. You can give some complex values like 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, plus 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a real calculator. Okay, so it was very easy to make this. I'll also share the code in the description box. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and please comment and send your suggestions on what topics I should make the videos. Please share this video with your dearest friends so that also they also can learn coding. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.